worked very closely with the builder on this project. It was a custom designed and a custom built home based in Newport on the lake. Security screens were required, and then we needed to make sure that these security screens complemented the design of the home.
So in this two-storey home, we've decided to use the ForceField security on the lower level with our Guardian fall prevention screens on the second floor. So we've used Prowler Proof ForceField 316 marine grade stainless steel mesh due to the coastal aspect of this property.
This was to ensure that the home was secured so that the windows could be left open to allow air, provide insect protection, but also provide security and peace of mind to the homeowner. In the upstairs windows, we chose the Prowler Proof Guardian fall prevention screens. This is a requirement under the National Construction Code to put screens on upstairs windows to prevent falls from heights. These windows would normally be restricted to only open 12.5 centimetres due to the National Construction Code. When we install Prowler Proof Guardian fall prevention screens to upper level windows that have been restricted, the installation of these screens allows us to legally remove restrictors, allowing homeowners to have full operation of their windows. We also installed a Prowler Proof ForceField hinge security door. This comes standard with a Lockwood triple lock and 5-pin cylinder, which is a requirement to meet the Australian standards of a security door.
The majority of this property has louvered windows. The louvered windows that have been provided come with a fixing fin, which is on the inside of the window, which allows us to securely fix the screens from the inside whilst being tamper resistant from the outside.
Choosing Prowler Proof ForceField and Prowler Proof Guardian for this project really is the best of both worlds. Visually from the outside, these two products look similar. You're getting the security on the lower level of the home and the fall prevention on the upper levels, providing the best of both worlds.